Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Melanie, and I would like to welcome you to our science class. Today's topic is in Unit F, Motion and Energy. And you can find this in your book in Chapter 12. The theme is Energy Everywhere. And today, our lesson is in Lesson 1, Energy and Heat. Our objective for this topic is, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe different sources of energy. Okay, words to learn. 2 words that you have to remember today. These are the words that we have to focus on, and it will be added to your science vocabulary spelling every day in our science class. So, number 1 is energy, and next is heat. So, don't forget these 2 words. Now, how do we use energy? Oh, we use energy in almost everything we do. Okay? So, we cannot run our air condition at home if there's no energy. We cannot use our refrigerator without energy. We cannot use our phone without energy. So, even for food, okay, even as we're using energy for us to do our stuff. Okay, now the first thing that we have to focus on is energy makes things work and change. Energy makes things work and change. Okay, now how do we get energy? When we eat food, we get energy to work and play. Now, what are the forms of energy? There are many forms of energy. So I would like to discuss it with you one by one. Okay. Light. Light energy is very important because without light we cannot see anything. It will be very dark. Okay, next is heat. Okay, heat is very important for us human beings and everything we do. Okay, heat and light are forms of energy too. Next, electricity. Electricity, we use this in running our computers, our phones, our refrigerator, our appliances at home, television, and others. Okay, next is gasoline gives car energy to move. Okay, so without gas, the car won't move. Okay. Next is satellite dishes send energy from space to make pictures or movies and news on televisions, in our televisions. So that's another form of energy. Next. Okay, what can you see in the picture? Okay, we have windmills here. Okay, windmills turn energy from wind to electricity. So if this windmill keeps on spinning, it will transfer like the energy. If the windmills keeps on spinning, it will turn energy from wind to electricity. Next, heat energy that makes things warm. Okay, so the heat from the sun. Okay, these are the have you do you see the picture here? These are solar panels. Okay, so the sun, the heat of the sun gives energy to this technology, the solar panel. Okay, so we can get heat from burning things like wood, oil, or gas. Okay, people can use this energy to warm their homes. Okay, especially in the countries when it's winter, when they have like the countries who has winter season. So next is, okay, people use heat to cook. Okay, so we always use heat for our food, or I mean for cooking food. So look at the electric stove and look at the burning wood. Most of the energy on earth comes from the sun. Okay, so basically from electricity, we get energy from electricity to transfer it to the solar panel, and it will produce electricity. Next is this, the light. Okay, without light, then we cannot see. So light, sound, heat, and electricity are forms of energy that make things work and change. So we will continue discussing this lesson in our next meeting. So I would like to greet you. Have a nice day and keep safe, everyone.